This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Steam checkout not loading. Follow these easy steps to fix this problem. The first solution is clear Steam cache files and turn off Family View. To do that, on your desktop, you will get Steam. Right-click on it and then click on Open File Location. And here, search for, and here at the top you will get App Cache. You have to delete this folder. Once you deleted Steam app cache files, now open your Steam app and here you will get family icon. So make sure to turn off Family View and then check the issue. And the second solution is reset your Steam. To do that, again go to your desktop and right click on Steam and click on Open File Location. And here select all files without Now press delete button on your keyboard, and after deleting all of these files without selected files, relaunch your Steam, and that's how you'll be able to fix Steam checkout not loading error. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.